Hey, good morning. Right now we're going to make a smoothie. Hey, good morning. Thank you for tuning in. And today I'm just going to show you how I start my mornings off. I'm always starting it off. If I'm not starting it off with a pure trim drink, I'm normally starting it off with something healthy. So let me just get into a little bit of my, I'll just show you my secret. Okay? I got some watermelon I'm about to juice. And it's kind of a mess right now, but we're going to get it all done. Just bear with me. I got some watermelon I'm about to juice. Show y'all why I juice my watermelon. Watermelon is delicious. Remember, when you wake up in the morning, you always want to make sure you drink water. And these are just some basic. You want to make sure you get water in your system. And you want to make sure that in the mornings, I know a lot of people like to eat a lot of breakfast. And there's nothing wrong with breakfast, but you got to make sure you get your vitamins. Because in the morning, your body is doing a lot of cleansing too. That's why it's good to fast in the morning. As a matter of fact, I'm actually going to fast today. Right now, it's not even, I always fast before sunrise. So, what I'm doing right now, cutting watermelon. I don't think this one is cut. I had it sitting in there too long. This one. It's okay. Anyway, I gotta find some good watermelon and juice. All of it's not good. I had this in the refrigerator too long. Yeah, watermelon in January. It's not a good look. Right? I don't need all of it. I want my watermelon to taste like watermelon. You ever taste bad watermelon? It don't taste like watermelon. Well, anyway, we gotta sort through this. But this is how I get my juice. So I'm gonna show y'all my magic right now. Okay. One of my favorite sayings is why stuff gotta be different. Like my stuff just can't be simple. I guess it would be too simple to be simple, right? Anyway, this is how I do it. Going into there. So that's the little magic we got. You don't need much. I'm gonna show you a real cool trick. Okay, I got some green stuff. This is just some green superfood. It's gonna, make it more green and all that stuff. I gotta get my greens in the morning. So therefore, I'm getting kind of like I'm getting vitamins and minerals already in the morning, which is very good. I love that stuff. Some people don't like doing all this in the morning, but you got to know how to treat your body right. And if you're trying to lose weight, I'm going to fast today. So after this, I'm not going to actually drink or eat anything else until like 5:30. So we're talking about a 12-hour no drink or eat food or anything. So I always add water to my drink. I'm about to go hard with this. this is it. I ain't do nothing spectacular. So shake it up. And I got some watermelon in here. I got some green powder and some water. And you probably say, how good is that gonna taste? It's not gonna taste too good. I'm being truly honest. It's not gonna taste too, but it's not gonna taste nasty. We're gonna see right now. See, the watermelon is the base. It's okay. So what I do, I'm adding a banana to it and some more mixed fruit, and I'm gonna make a smoothie. Make sure that if you're thinking about fasting in the morning or you want something good, healthy in the morning, always try to get, a green smoothie or something like that, mixed in with fruit or something. And that should hold you to your next meal, to 12 o'clock lunch. Or if you're fasting like me, you're gonna have to tough it out to sunset. Okay. For more on my fasting tips, more on how to eat right and stay healthy, check me out on my Facebook page, or just go through more videos here, and you can download my free ebook on the tips that I give you and stuff. Okay. As always, peace and blessings.